Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a product launch plan with Asana detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Asana account. Create a new project by clicking on the plus new project button. Choose a blank project or select a template suitable for product launches. Name your project something relevant, like product launch plan. Set your project's privacy settings according to your team's needs. Invite team members who will be involved in the launch. Define the project's main goals and objectives. Break the project into key phases: research, development, marketing, and launch. For each phase, create sections in Asana to organize tasks accordingly. In the research section, list tasks like competitor analysis and target audience identification. Assign these tasks to relevant team members with due dates. Move on to the development section and outline tasks like product design and testing. Include specific deadlines for each development task. Next, create the marketing section, focusing on tasks such as content creation and social media strategy. Assign marketing tasks to team members, ensuring clear responsibility. In the launch section, outline final steps like setting the launch date and coordinating press. Use tasks like final review and launch date checklist to ensure nothing is overlooked. Encourage team members to add subtasks for detailed actions under each main task. Set up project milestones to track significant achievements along the way. Incorporate regular check-ins by scheduling recurring tasks for updates and feedback. Utilize Asana's calendar view to get a visual representation of your timeline. Monitor task progress and utilize comments for team communication on specific tasks. Leverage Asana's reporting features to evaluate the status of tasks and overall project health. Adjust timelines and resources as necessary based on feedback or unforeseen challenges. Ensure to celebrate completed tasks and milestones to motivate the team throughout the process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.